today's topic is statistics, and its first point is it is very important one and easy also for all the students. See here carefully, then you will get very easily. See, first point is your data. What is meaning of data? That is facts or figures, that is numerical figures collected with a definite purpose. It is called data. Okay, like first time we are collecting the numerical things is called a data. Like in class, any class, if I am collecting the information, name, father name, mother name, your Aadhaar card, your mobile number, your email ID of all students, then collecting the things, that is called data. This is the first thing. Then in which subject, in which branch we are dealing, branch name is statistics. Statistics is what? It is a one type of science which deals with the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Okay, with help of the data we can see, so you are how many years old, at where you are living, what is your email ID, how many students are living in a particular place. Okay, how many students are living very far from the school. These all things we can interpret easily with help of data. Come on, types of data. Generally we have two types of data. One is primary data and second one is secondary data. Come on, what is primary data? Primary data, the data collected by the investigator with himself, with a definite plan in mind, are known as primary data. Okay, in my mind, one plan is to get all the information of the students. Okay, these all the students, for your board purpose, I want some general information from you. This is called primary data because I am collecting, I am investigator, so this is your primary data, and these data are highly reliable and relevant. Okay, because I am matching whatever your students are sending to me information, name, class, section, I will match from with your Aadhaar card data, your email ID, your phone, all things I can cross check it. This is called your primary data. It is very relevant. Okay, come on the secondary data. Secondary data collected by someone. Okay, I have all the data. If anyone wants from me, you give me the student's name, those who are of age group of from this to this. Okay, or those who are living in a particular place. Okay, so I can collect the number of students from primary data and give it to the other person. This is called your secondary data. It means the data collected by someone other than the investigator. Okay, are known as secondary data. The next point, frequency of observation. Okay, the number of times the observation occurs, that is called frequency. Okay, in data, if any number is coming number of times, that is called the frequency of the data. Okay, types of frequency distribution. We have two types of frequency distribution. One is exclusive form and second one is inclusive form. The other name of exclusive form is continuous form, and other name of inclusive form is discontinuous form. What is meaning of continuous form is, then 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, these are called your continuous form. In this one see 0 is included but 10 is not included here in this class. In this class 10 is included but 20 is not there. Okay, only 10 to 19 numbers will come in this class. Here 20 to 29 numbers will come in this class. Okay, so but representation is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. This is your continuous form. Okay, one more is, this is inclusive. Inclusive means both number included. Here 0 to 10 is written, no? It means 0 is also there and 10 is also there. 11 is also there and 20 is also there. 21 is also there and 30 is also there. This is your discontinuous form. Okay. Then come on class size. Class size means upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Then it is 10 minus 0 is 10. 20 minus 10 is again 10. Like this. Class mark. Upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Okay, then range. If we have given number of datas, okay, we have to find the range. Range means maximum value minus minimum value. Again I am telling you, what is range? Maximum value minus minimum value. Yes. The next point is the three measures of central tendency for ungrouped data. Okay, we have three measures of central tendency. Okay, first is mean, second one is mode, and third one is median. Okay, mean, median, and mode. First we are doing that is mean. Whenever we have datas are given only, okay, then how can we find mean? Mean we are representing like x bar. X bar is equal to sigma xi upon n. Then second, if we have information just like in frequencies, okay, when frequencies are given, then x bar equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Okay, come on for median. Median generally is what? Median is like the middlemost observation of the given information. For that, what to do? You have to arrange the data in ascending order. It is given. Now, note, arrange data in ascending order. After that, you have to find the middlemost value. Okay, if number of datas are odd, then how can you get the middlemost value? N plus 1 upon 2th term. If number of datas are even, then how can you get it? Median equal to 1 upon 2, n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term. Okay, then last point, C. C point is mode. Mode means what? The most frequently occurring observation is called mode. Yes, exercise 5.3, question number 5. The first term of AP is 5, the last term is 45, and sum is given to you 400. Okay, what to do? Find the number of terms and common difference. Number of terms means n, common difference means d. Okay, now whatever is given, a is equal to 5, last term l is 45, sum of numbers 400, number of terms that you have to find n, and d is common difference. That also you have to find. Now see, Sn is 400. What is the formula of Sn when last term is given to you? What is the formula of Sn when last term is given to you? Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket n by 2 is 14.1. First question, give 5 examples of data that you can collect from day to day life. Okay, general examples we have to give. See here, number of students in our class. How many students are there? That data is called your number of students of a class. Okay, second, how many fans are there in a school? Okay, this is also one type of data. Electricity bills of our house for last 2 years. This is also one type of data. Now see here, election results obtained from TV or newspaper. Okay, we are getting the result from TV or the newspaper. Then literacy rate obtained from educational survey. This is also we can get the data. Okay, last year survey education rate was this year rate is this. Okay, these are general examples. So lot of examples are there we have. Okay, classify the second question is classify the data in question number 1 above as primary data or secondary data. Just you see, first part, second part number of fans, and third part electricity bills. These are primary data. Okay, here first, because direct source of investigator. Okay, to whom get this? Investigator got this data. Okay, secondary data we are getting from any media like TV, newspaper, like any educational survey. Okay, so fourth and fifth part, this is your secondary data. 18.2, first question, the blood groups are of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. These are the blood groups. Okay, we have to make it one frequency distribution table. Okay, see different type of blood groups are given to you. Make it just like in table. Blood groups A, B, AB and O. Okay, telemarks that we will do. Frequency, with help of telemarks we will get frequency. Okay, see how I am doing. How can we use the telemarks here? Use both the hands. Okay, just you see. A, make it A. B, B. O, O again. AB, O, A, O, B, A, O, then 4 and 1, 5. B, A, O, and again O. Like this, first line is over. Put hand on the data and mark it by telemarks. Okay, again here. A, 4 and 1, 5. AB, this. O, A, again A, then O, again O. AB, B, A, O, B, A, B, and last one is O. Okay, then count. 5 and 4, 9. This is 9. 5 and 1, 6. This is your 6. This is 3. This is 10 and 2, 12. To find out most common blood group. Okay, most common blood group is the highest frequency blood group is 12. Number of frequency highest is 12. Blood group is O. O group is most common blood group. Okay, most rarest blood group. It means frequency is lowest. Lowest frequency is 3. Blood group name is AB. AB. Exercise 14.2, second question. The distance in kilometers 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. Okay, here we are given distances. What to do? Construct a group frequency table with class size 5. How can we construct it? First of all, you have to see the minimum distance. Minimum distance is coming here. This is 3. Here 2. 2 is the minimum. Okay, and maximum is 32. It means you have to take 0 to 5 and up to what? 35. See here. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, up to 30 to 35. Okay, now one by one, as I told you, you have to put one finger here and put telemarks. Like 5. 5 is not in this class, 5 is in here. Then 3, 3 is here. Then 10, 10 is here. 20, 20 is here. 25, 25 is here. 11, 11 is here. 13, 13 again here. 7, 7 is here. 12, 12 is here. 31, 31 is here. First line is over. Come on for second line. 19, 19 is here. 10. 10 is here. Now 4 and 1 5. Yes. 12. 12 is again here. 17 is here. 18 again here. 11. 11 is in this class. 32. 32 in this class. 17. 17 in this class. 16. 16 is here. And then last is 2. Then 2 lines over. Come on for the third line. 7. 7. 9 is 9. Again 7. Then 8. Then 3. Now 5. 5 is in second class. 12. 12 in this class. 15. 15 not in this. 15 in 15 to 20. This. 18. 18 in this. 3. 3 in the first class. Okay. Then come on for the last line. 12. 12 is here. 14. 14 is also here. 2. 2 is here first. Then 9. 9 in second class. Then 6. 6 also in this. 15. 15 in this class. 15 to 20. Again 15. The same class. Then 7. 7 is your second class. 6. Again. The last one is 12. Is in 12. Okay. Now then frequency, how can we get it? See here. This is 5. 5 plus 5, 10 and 1, 11. 5 plus 5, 10 and 1, 11. Then 5 and 4, 9. Okay. And 30 to 35. And what type of information you are getting from this tabular form? We can get the things. Most of the engineers, they are coming from their residence, and distance between their workplace and residence is up to 20 kilometers.